So for those of you who have moved or are moving from a DSLR to mirrorless camera, you should know that now you need to be a little more diligent about protecting your sensor. The reason why is now you obviously don't have a little mirror between you and your delicate camera sensor. And when you remove your lens, that sensor is totally exposed. So for this reason, you need to take extra care when changing your lenses to prevent dust or dirt from getting on that sensor. That means when you take off that lens, put the new one on right away. Or put that little cap on your camera body. Or if worse comes to worse and you don't have the cap, turn the camera upside down if you need to set it down for a minute. And of course, if you have to change your lens in a dusty, rainy, or snowy environment, do it under your jacket, or better yet, in your car. Because if your sensor gets crud on it, everything will be messed up. Just remember, without that mirror, sensor protection is all on you, baby.